living in USTP product.
Alumni of USTP.
Like this job fair. Yearly, we conducted this activity. Spaces where students, alumni, and employers
Employment Service Office of the Local Government Unit of Cagayan de Oro is a great opportunity to connect with potential employers. Unang daghan kaayong salamat sa amuang mga industry partners. I hope nga inyong hatagan og tsansa ang mga aplikante nga madawat